The American Red Cross North Texas region has an urgent plea for volunteers who are willing to travel. Their focus right now is helping people displaced by Hurricane Helene. Fox 4's Alex Boyer is live in Dallas tonight with some of the details about this ask. Alex.
Hi, Steve. You know, the American Red Cross has set up about 70 shelters in different states throughout the Southeast in direct response to the devastation and displacement caused by Hurricane Helene. Of course, they need plenty of staff in order to staff those locations, and they're spread pretty thin.
We want people to work 2 to 3 weeks at the most on a disaster operation, and then they need to take at least a week off.
Linda Brady is in desperate need of volunteers. As the CEO of the American Red Cross North Texas region, she's responsible for getting vulnerable folks the help they need. And the need is great in the southeast part of the country, where Hurricane Helene left a wake of destruction.
And this is an extended thing. This is going to be months in the Carolinas and 6 to 8 weeks at least in Florida and Georgia.
Brady says the American Red Cross is supporting 70 shelters in the region. So far, some 2,600 people have sought refuge there. She expects that number to rise.
There are people up in the mountain communities in the Carolinas that we can't even get to them yet. They can't even come out.
Volunteers make up 90% of the Red Cross workforce. 900 Red Cross disaster responders from across the country are already on the ground. So the organization is in urgent need of more disaster shelter volunteers. The Red Cross will provide the training ranging from 4 to 6 hours. Deployment is for 2 weeks.
Thank you for calling American Red Cross. This is Miguel Gutierrez. How can I help you?
Miguel Gutierrez has been with the American Red Cross for 7 months. He's headed out to the southeast tomorrow on his first deployment. The 26-year-old, who is fluent in Spanish, is eager to help and hopes others will be motivated to do so too.
I need to just help others, just because again, the situation that I'm in, I have everything. I have a place to sleep, and seeing other people that don't, just because something suddenly happened, just makes me want to go and help them.
Yeah, they need lots of good people like that. And you know, another interesting fact I learned today is that Hurricane Helene also caused more than 1,500 blood donations to go uncollected in the southeast as a result of what's happening down there. So I'm told by the CEO, even if you can donate blood here, that is a big help to them. But if you would like to be trained and deployed and can go down for 2 weeks, you can sign up, and all that information is on our website, fox4news.com, and just search for this story.